Okay, I want to do a quick review on CLife multi-purpose cleaning cloths. You get 2 of these in a package. I don't know where you buy them at. I got them at a yard sale earlier summer and trying them out. So I don't sure what store you buy them from or get them online from. But multi-purpose cleaning cloths, ideal for wood, glass, leather, electronics, auto. Use them wet or dry. Highly absorbent and soft material. Size 12 by 12. About the size of a little bit bigger than what a washcloth. They're pretty good. I've been using it for cleaning around the house and different things here at the house. Pretty good for cleaning, dusting, wash your car, just general cleaning you can do around the house. It's pretty good overall. They're pretty good for cleaning. Gonna wash them. Had any problems with washing them? Wash them or put them in an area. But like I said, they're pretty good product. Pretty good for cleaning around the house and cleaning your car, stuff like that. It's called CLife multi-purpose cleaning cloths. Like I said, got it at a yard sale, so I'm not sure what store sells them.